Hi there, and greetings from Denmark again. I just want to show you how to roll a cigarette with a rolling mat. You put some tobacco in here. The advantage of this compared to this one is that you can use as much as tobacco you like. Here you are restricted to how much it goes down here and closes. The lid must close. So take this. By the way, this mat is 35 years old, and saw very much heavy use in my younger days. I still use it, and it still works. So see, now you have the hole here, but doesn't matter. You take care of that. I use filters, so just put a filter here, hold it a bit, and make sure that the tobacco is all the way down here. Grab. So just roll, give it a slight roll again, and roll it down to here, with this side facing towards you. We have here some of the cheapest papers on the market and some of the best. I get these from Aldi in Germany. They are under 9 cents, euro cents for a pack with 50. So you put the paper in here. You can put the paper all the way to the end, or if you wanna lengthen the cigarette a bit, you can just do that. See? I hope you can see that. Yeah, just do this. Doesn't matter that much. And then you just slightly roll and keep them. The harder you press, the thinner the cigarette gets. So you can do that whatever you like. I have to lick this. Just lick it so it's moist, not wet. Make sure you just slowly roll it up and suck. See? And you have here too much, just break that off, and you have a cigarette. Easy peasy. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.